Okay, let's see. Preparing open the departure. Nice, there. Okay, so that beam is actually supposed to be like incinerating one shot in the story, in the lore. It just like disintegrates everything. Okay, here he is. He's so big. Damn. Oh, wait. Ah, shit. He's big and actually kind of easy to fight, but I just made a big, like, mistake there, not really thinking what I was doing. Okay, let's get this started. There. Ooh, wow, my dodging was a bit slow there, but luckily I didn't get hit. Like, in the lore, this guy is so much scarier than he actually is when playing against him. It's also, like, very scary to fight against him the first time. But, like, it doesn't take long to, like, realize how easy he actually is. He's scary and interesting, though. I'm messing up a lot of stuff right now. Fudge. Nice. Like, it's also that he's very slow. Like, when you're used to playing this game, it's like super easy. Easy to dodge everything and easy to hit. I don't know, like, if it's more difficult with close combat weapons, though. There is one flaw with having ranged weapons against this guy. It's that, like, it is difficult to know when he's too far away and things like that. When I'm within the right range or not. He's charging. Ooh, yeah, that's right. I think these are the weak spots. Wow, I'm definitely not, like, doing super well right now. Okay, I'm just gonna take this one before he may actually hit me, which he did. Okay. Oh no! I have concussion! Oh crap! Ooh, I just dodged that. Wow! I'm seriously not focused right now. Shit. Okay, that one was dodged. Okay, I need to get a bit quicker now. Doesn't matter, like, if I do super much damage, I just need to be quick so I, like, get my focus started. Oh, crap! Need to get quick so I can both do damage and dodge attacks. That's the point of it all. Getting rhythm going. Okay, let's see. Nice, he's charging again, then he's pretty easy to actually shoot and dodge. I do get some, like, fire wyvern arrows on him, though. Oh crap, I shouldn't really be missing those arrows. I should be better than that. Okay. Okay, I didn't really know what he was gonna do there, but luckily he didn't actually harm me. Wow. I'm talking about how easy he is, but I'm not really doing my best right now. Yeah. Oh, that's right, he uses that one. Oh, crap. Okay, it didn't actually harm me. Usually I try to just go as close to him as possible when he does that. Okay, this is supposed to actually incinerate me if it was the lore. If it actually did hit me. I don't know if it does that, though. I think he is, like, a lot easier in the, like, playing against him than what he actually is supposed to be in the lore. Okay. We need to get closer. Luckily I actually have a pretty nice armor set. Ooh. That helps me a lot. It is the, like, I don't remember what it's called anymore. The, like, decaying dragon, elder dragon. I have that armor on me. So I get some like life regeneration. Ooh, forward! Ah, there, nice. I think the key is actually just use all my stamina as much as I can. Then I like know that I'm doing well enough at least. Like trying to focus on that a bit. He's charging up. And there's the beam again. Like that beam is supposed to be like really crazy. I don't know. I kind of want to see if it actually does incinerate me. Like if the dragon actually is like what is supposed to be in the lore. Like in the lore it's supposed to be like a shit ton of people fighting this one. Like hundreds of people. And like they die and get incinerated. And etc. Ooh. He is actually kind of scary even without the lore. But he's so much more scary when you actually read the lore about him as well. Wow. I would actually have been dead now if I hadn't had this armor on me. What weapon am I using? I'm using some kind of blast damage thing, I think. Oh! Okay, I'm getting somewhat, like, into the game now. I was prepared for that. Oh! That one I was not prepared for, though. Okay, I'm burning now. I just stepped right into some blazing stuff. Ooh, I thought he was gonna do the laser thing there. Like, I'm definitely getting more into the game now. Hoo. Okay. Like, look at that. He's actually starting to change a lot now. And it becomes more difficult. Oh, wow. Whew. Do I not have any fortitude? Oh, crap, I don't. Okay, let's see if I can kill it anyways then. All my buffs is gone now, though. Ah, okay, I see. Was that the thing that actually killed me, that explosion there? So I should probably try and keep my distance a bit now. Ooh, hopefully it doesn't shoot me or attack me now. Does he move that one now? No, it's still just standing or aimed in one direction. Ooh. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's good. I just threw him to the side. That's nice. Okay, let's see. Just not gonna use that close range stuff though. Ooh. Okay, nice. I got close enough. And then shoot at the belly. There, nice. And just like some stones thrown down like from straight above as he stands. I like that. I wonder if I actually will kill him now. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will just die because I lost all my buffs. But at least I've like gotten a bit more like used to this fight now. Wow. Okay, I was gonna shoot. Ah! I was too far away there. Ooh, let's see. Okay. Ooh, there's some loot there. Nice. Okay, I didn't get that loot though. Ooh. Okay, what he's gonna do? Oh, crap! Is that explosion again? No. Okay, good. Oh, I'm very like afraid of the explosion right now. Oh, wait. He's just walking. Is he gonna fly away now? Okay, I'm just gonna see. Do I have anything to eat? Rare steak. Okay. That's good enough. I need some stamina. Oh, there. Wow. That was close. Oh, crap. I'm still not quick enough for that. I keep missing the quick shots there. Oh my. Oh crap. Okay, let's see. There. Shots. Nice. Okay, no, he's not falling to the ground entirely though. Oh yeah, I remember this place as well. This is also like a place based on the lore. They hid behind these pillars when he was firing his beams, and that's why they could win. Or otherwise they would have just like failed entirely. He's just walking right now. Okay, now he's starting to fight again. Ah, crap. Oh no, I should have dodged there, but I didn't. Ah, crap. Ah! Yeah, if I had dodged, I would have gotten away from that. Crap. Okay, this is my last life. There it is, fortitude. Okay. Wait. I can cook some meat now. Okay, do I have full stamina? It seems like I do. Okay, yeah, there. Good. Ah, crap! I just spawned straight in a attack. Nice. He's just walking away from me. Or rather, giving me a good chance to just do some decent damage. Oh my. At least this is like the last phase, so if I do that, I've at least gotten to this point. But most of my deaths, or like my most important death, was just a big mistake. I don't really remember all his attack patterns. I was just like thinking about all his beam attacks and didn't like focus on the explosion he did. He's actually supposed to be much easier than this though. And now I just like faced the wrong direction entirely. Ah! Crap. Ooh. There, nice. Okay, just gonna get some shots on the butt. Oh, ooh, I'm so close to dying there. Oh, crap. Okay, he's coming with some help for me here. I remember this part. He just goes up and fly around a bit. This is the part that's actually good for using the bow. This is actually why I use the bow. I like to be able to shoot when they fly. Sometimes I'm just pressing too quickly for the character to like recognize what I'm doing. I try to dodge while shooting there as well, but yeah, I just made another shot instead. There, I did it again. There. This is what I'm trying to do most of the time. Like, being able to dodge and attack at the same time. Just like making that my norm. Oh no! He's gonna do something there. Okay, nice. Ooh! Yeah, it's gonna shoot a wyvern shot. Oh, nice. I do get in some like nice hits with that one now at least though. So I'm not like totally like noob right now. Okay, I could predict that one now. I do remember that attack pattern. Oh, nice! Oh no! I got hit by an explosion without foreseeing it. Crap. Oh, hopefully I can kill him. It would be nice to like solo this dude. Oh no, he's flying! Oh, nice! I keep just smashing him to the floor. I'm just keeping him down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. I'm just gonna use this pillar for now. Oh, can I, like, keep him down again? Oh, some wyvern shots. Come on. Again? Yeah, he is kind of easy to just fire these wyvern shots on. It's super easy, actually. Since he's so slow and so big. I just need to be focused on, like, being in the right range. That's the only, like, difficult part. But that isn't, like, difficult at all, actually. It is quite easy in comparison to the difficulties I have with other monsters. Okay, let's see. Oh no! Oh, that was lucky. Okay, I'm not getting very good shots right now. Not high damage, at least. Hopefully, if I just try to continuously use the wyvern shot, maybe I can get something good out of this. Like killing him, actually killing him. Oh, nice. I staggered him a bit. Ah! Not close combat. Oh, close range, I mean. Okay, I'm just gonna change that. Ooh. Okay, I got his tail at least. That's kind of a win. Okay. Will I actually be able to harvest that one though? I probably won't be able to. Ooh, I was scared there. I thought he would actually be able to, like... to probably, like, one-shot me. I thought I would be able... or that it would be that unlucky. I possibly could have been. Ah, no. I didn't get lucky there. I didn't, like, stagger him the entire way to the ground. Oh, that was a bit better. A lot of hits and a lot of high damaged shots, hits. Okay, is it just once or multiple times? It's multiple times. Okay, I need to jump away here. What is he gonna do? Oh! Okay, I thought he would charge there, but no. Oh, yeah, this is where he actually moves the beam. Okay, so I guess the beam actually just disintegrates me, just as it does in the lore. Yeah, at least I tried.